Hi everyone. Hi Debbie. Hi Tanu. Very warm welcome. Hi Shashank. So we are just waiting for some more people to join in, and then maybe we'll just. Are you able to hear me properly? Am I clear? Am I loud enough? We're just waiting for some more people, and then we get started. I'm super excited to share this recipe. So I just logged in a minute before. Can we say cheese together? Loudly, cheese. I can't hear anybody said. Can we say cheese? Can we say butter? Can we say Amul together? That's so awesome. All of you are joining in. Oh, there. Swati says butter. Okay. Am I loud? Am I clear? Butter. Okay, great. Butter, cheese, and what else? Some milk and some yogurt. Amul. Yes. That's the brand we have all grown up eating. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so we get started, and thank you all for joining us. A very warm welcome, and I really want to thank Amul for giving me this opportunity to showcase my culinary skills on such a big platform. You know, we've grown up eating cheese and butter from Amul, so I mean, I don't need to give introduction to this great brand. And so, a bit about myself. I'm a health food blogger, and I blog about healthy food, and I have a YouTube channel, and I have an Instagram page, and I have a Facebook page where I'm sharing healthy food. So, what is a health food blogger doing in the Amul show is because we are doing, yes, it's utterly butterly delicious. Absolutely, that's what Amul is all about, and that's what we have known. And the recipe is utterly butterly delicious because we are going to use butter, we will use cheese, we will use yogurt, and we will be using milk, what Amul has. So, the recipe is very simple. I have simplified it as much as possible so that we don't need to run anywhere because it's still quite prohibited to go out. So let's get started with the recipe. The recipe is called scones. We are going to do cheese scones. This is actually, it's like a puff, if you call it, in a very simple way. It's a puff or a biscuit, it's like that. So it has a cheesy center and a crusty top. So we start with taking a cup of oats. All of us have oats at home. So just powder it, mixie में आप powder कर लो, and just put that and toast it. So what happens is once you toast the oats, it releases a flavor which is quite nice. This step can be this step can be omitted, but I recommend because the nutrition in the oats changes. It provides it becomes more like it's the digestion becomes better. So this is 1 cup of oats powdered and toasted, and then we have 1 cup of rice flour. So this is store bought, and so these are 2 ingredients. That's it. There is no maida, there is no atta, there is nothing, because my channel is all about gluten-free food, and that's what I recommend. I mean, that's the way we have been eating. So there goes your flour. And now just keep in mind that all the ingredients that you're using should be cold, because this is a very delicate pastry. This is all about how you are going to balance the flavors and how will you handle the flavors. So keep your ingredients as cold as possible. We are using 2 tablespoons of butter, very cold butter, that will go in. And then from the tip of your fingers, just use your tip, because that's the coldest part of your hand. Do not use your palm, because you'll be applying a lot of pressure. Use the tip of your fingers and try to rub in to the oats and the rice mixture. Just rubbing together so that it gets incorporated. And now the best thing about this is that you don't need any prepping. You do not need too much of anything. Like we cool the pastry, we then roll it. It's very, very simple. Just get your flour, add in your ingredients, roll it and bake it, and you have it. So it's as simple as that. What pats are you taking? What pats? I didn't get you. What is a pat? So here we have everything is getting incorporated, and it will resemble a coarse sand with the tip of your fingers, keeping it as delicate. If you have a food processor, it will always work so much better, because you are not using the warmth of your hands. Yes, we have oats over here, and we have butter. We have used the unsalted butter, because we'll be adding in salt later. And so we'll be just adding unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons. I will be posting the recipe in the comments later, so that I really want you people to make these cones. This is like a breakthrough recipe that I've absolutely created for Amul, and I've used all the ingredients. So you can see how nice this is looking, nice and coarse. And to this I'm just going to add और इस रेसिपी में आपको बिल्कुल मेहनत नहीं होगी, आप आसानी से सब चीज़ आपके पास होगी. अमूल के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं सारे, आप उनको बस मिक्स करें और बनाएं. There is no big, Okay, now we come to sugar and salt. So salt as per taste. So I'm just using a bit of salt, and then I will use sugar. Rolled oats, yes you use rolled oats, instant oats, rolled oats, and just powder it and then toast it. Remember to toast it. Then comes 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here the sugar that we are using is actually just to enhance the saltiness. It's not for sweetness. तो पेस्ट्री में जब शुगर पड़ता है तो उसमें एक क्रिस्टलाइन फ्लेवर आता है, एक शुगरी, थोड़ा सा शुगरी, थोड़ा सा सॉल्टी जब आता है फ्लेवर तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, जिसके कारण हम यहाँ पर यूज़ कर रहे हैं a bit of sugar and bit of salt. So your pastry is ready, and now we'll just add the wet ingredients. Your dry ingredients are gone in, and you can see it's a coarse sand, and then we are going to add the wet ingredients. That is, we'll be adding in yogurt, half a cup of yogurt. So there we are going and having half a cup of yogurt. Can you just 1 second, I'll just okay. So now you see, so the yogurt has gone in, and then we add cheese. So yogurt is half cup full fat. There goes your cheese. Now Amul has cheddar, and that's what we're going to use. You can also use 3/4 cup if you want to. So the cheese has gone in. So it's like, you know, when in the evenings, normally in the winters we try to, you know, have a warm drink with us, and then we try to, you know, have something with it. So that something could be a slice of toast or a breadstick that is store bought. So here, this will work so good if you're having a warm drink with yourself. And just bake these. These keep in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. Or maybe a week, you know, if you are, you know, not using too much of fresh ingredients, if you're not using fresh herbs. So this has gone in, and now we'll just add the flavorings. Now flavorings can be powdered sugar. Yes, you can use powdered sugar. That is not a thing. Can we add buttermilk? Not really, because buttermilk is very thin. And this will just thin down the, we are looking for a very, you know, not a very liquidy, we are not making a dough. So you will see the consistency, you cannot add buttermilk. And then we are going to add rosemary. Please add the flavors as per your choice. You could add oregano if you have, paprika if you have, you could add garlic if you like. And you can add fresh herbs. I'll be adding in the dried ones because mostly I have seen, you know, I don't want to run to the supermarket to get the fresh herbs. So I don't suggest at the moment. Of course, later on you can do that. But I'll be adding in some fresh herbs later. But as of now, no. I'm just adding in this. And then I'm just going to add a tablespoon of baking powder. Now, if you are actually gluten intolerant, like for me, I'm not gluten intolerant. I just don't eat gluten. So that's there. But if you're gluten intolerant, remember to use baking powder that is, you know, it doesn't have gluten. And so mix this again together. And then we're going to add milk. Now, depending on the kind of yogurt that you're using, just see, I'm not rubbing in too much in the flour. The lighter the flour it is, the better it will be. So just try to be very, very gentle. It's all about balance, because the moment you try to, you know, rub in too many things, you know, the batter will just fall flat and it will be like a biscuit and it will not be like a scone. Scone is very, very light. So 2, and then we start with 3, and then we just see how it is. I think this will need some more. Let me just see. You could ask me any questions if you like, because scones is something which not many of us are familiar with. So please feel free to ask me. I am here for you. We are just adding in some more milk. So 6 tablespoons of milk has gone in. Now milk variation, you have to keep in mind that the milk has to be as per the yogurt that you're using. So it can vary from 4 to 6 tablespoons. So this is your dough. I'm just slightly just trying to, you know, just get them together. That's it. Just get it together somehow. So here you can see I'm just got it together. There is no kneading, there is no patting, pulling, nothing. Just get the dough, somehow just get it together. And you will see how light and feathery it will be. So here you see, this is your dough. And now I'll take a parchment paper. This is my parchment paper. And put your dough in this. Now just see, it's all falling apart. नो इट्स नॉट हंग कर्ड, इट्स नॉर्मल, जस्ट पानी नहीं होना चाहिए योगर्ट में. बहुत पानी होने से दिस डो विल फॉल फ्लैट. सो I will be posting the recipe so you could see the recipe. Here we are making scones right now. So just try to put everything together. And you see this is all crumbly. ये भी साथ it's not like an atta that we have done. Just patting it together. Just very lightly. Just get it together. So the more crumbly your dough is, the softer your your scone will be, the lighter the scone will be. Normally हम जब 1 tablespoon of baking, yes you can say, but if you are using aluminium free baking powder then it should not be so bad. Because आप देखिए, अगर हम बाहर की चीज़ें खाते हैं उससे बेटर है हम घर की दूध, घर की घर की चीज़ यूज़ करके अगर कुछ बनाते हैं तो वो हेल्दी बनता है. So that is, you're just patting this together. And so here we have, now you can see you can see this, how thick this is. Try to pat it. If you want, I'll just show you by rolling. Just slightly roll it, very lightly. So this is the scone that we are seeing. See how thick this is. This is like a puff, you can see. And so it's like, if you just have a bowl of soup and a scone, you are good to go. You don't need anything else. So I'm just going to put everything in this plate because we're going to bake these. Okay, so ऐसे करके आप जितने हो सके आप ऐसे scones बनाएं. You see here. And play with as many flavors as you want. You want garlic, paprika, you want oregano, as per you. Jeera, you can also add Indian flavors. ये देखिए, आप ऐसे बस इनको बनाएं. Again, you see the scraps that are left. Again, you pat it together without applying too much of pressure. Just pat these together. I am making scones. These are like English biscuits. And शाम के टाइम जब आप सूप पीते हैं या कोई ड्रिंक लेते हैं, जैसे अगर आपको कोई हॉट चॉकलेट लेनी है, सो उसके साथ ये बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Yes, so see, I'm not even rolling, I'm just patting it with my hands because we don't want too much of pressure. And इस बैटर में 5 से 6 पीस बन जाते हैं. There, okay. So just patting it together and getting it. Hi Anju, how are you? And this is the last piece. And you know what, this is like, Christmas is just round the corner, and during the winter break you can get the kids doing this activity. They will absolutely love it because इसमें कोई ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. आप बच्चों को बोलिए कि आप चलो हम scones बनाते हैं और अपने उनके हिसाब के फ्लेवर्स उनको डालने बोले. So they will love it. और उनको चीज़ पसंद आती है, उनको बटर पसंद है, तो then maybe the kids do it. रेसिपी मैं डालूंगी कमेंट्स में, आप परेशान ना हो. यू विल सी द रेसिपी एंड आप बना सकते हैं. एट द मोमेंट आप प्रोसीड्योर देख लीजिए पहले. सो हियर इज योर स्कोन, या. And then on this, if you are eating eggs, you can brush some eggs on the top, but I am not going to show you with eggs. What you can do is take a pastry brush and then top it like this. आप देख सकते हैं इधर में. Can you see? If you get Amul cream, you can just brush some Amul cream. उससे और भी अच्छा golden color आता है. I have milk, so I am just brushing it with milk. नहीं तो आप egg white से भी इसको brush कर सकते हैं. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so these are your scones. And now you will bake it in the oven. Bake it for around 20 to 25 minutes and preheated oven 170 degrees. So these are the scones. Put it in the baking tray. Use a baking sheet. Okay. Yes, I will share the written recipe so that all of you can make it in the comments later on. Please find it, and then you just bake this in the oven. So for now, because it's a live, I have already baked, these scones, and I'm just going to show you some more things so that you can enjoy the recipe. Just give me a minute. So here you see I have baked these scones for you. And how nice, biscuity and golden they are. Okay. Just use a towel to put this. Okay. And here you see like this. ये बिल्कुल एक क्रंची बिस्किट की तरह होता है. बिल्कुल फ्लेक्स होते हैं बाहर में. एंड चीज़ है एंड बटर है और बहुत टेस्टी होता है. फ्लेवर्स डालिए आप अपने हिसाब से. अब इसको थोड़ा सा सर्विंग हम और भी इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं कि हम सर्विंग भी उनको कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो लेट मी प्लेट इट फर्स्ट. दिस इज हॉट. जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट. आई जस्ट प्लेट इट फॉर यू. Here I have a plate, and here I am going to just place these cones like this. I have these few things. Okay, so here I am going to decorate it with olives. And what else? I have some capers. I have some fresh dill. Topping can be as per you. Okay, so you can see here. मोज़रेला प्रोसेस्ड चीज़. वी आर यूजिंग अमूल शेडार चीज़. वो सबसे अच्छा होता है. हम वही खाए हैं और हम वही से बनाएंगे. Amaranth you can try. Nidhi, I am sure I love amaranth. You should try. There are a lot of amaranth recipes on my YouTube channel. If you love amaranth, you will love my channel because we don't use the normal flavors. So please वो वहाँ देखें. And let me just give you one more tip, please. 1 minute. ये देखिए, ये अमूल चीज़ है मेरे पास. अब इनको मैं टॉपिंग की तरह कैसे यूज़ करती हूँ. जस्ट छोटे छोटे टुकड़े ये चीज़ के इसके ऊपर रख दें ऐसे. ओके. सो हियर यू हैव चीज़ और थोड़े से ऑलिव्स. इनको ऊपर में सजाएं. क्लोजअप आपको चाहिए. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ दिख रहा है. आर यू फाइन? कैन यू सी? मैं एक बार सजा देती हूँ, फिर मैं कैमरा के पास लेकर आती हूँ आपके लिए. ये देखिए. ओके. एंड आई हैव दीज फ्रेश डिल लीव्स. dill के leaves थोड़े से. You can put basil. I will share my channel link in the comments. आप ज़रूर देखिएगा. बिकॉज हम इतनी सारी चीज़ें हेल्दी के नाम पे वो बोरिंग वाली चीज़ें खाली सैलेड और सूप सोचते हैं, बट वैसा नहीं होता. बहुत सारी, और हम बहुत लकी हैं कि हमें अब सब चीज़ें मिल जाती है बड़ी आसानी से. एंड वी हैव सम गुड ब्रांड्स. चीज़ बटर जो हम सोचते हैं हेल्दी नहीं है, वो हम हमेशा खाए हैं, तो हम कैसे छोड़ दें. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. ओके, सो दिस इज़ योर डिल एंड आई हैव केपर्स. अब इसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं मैं नहीं बता सकती, बट ये केपर्स होते छोटे छोटे. दे लुक खट्टे होते हैं थोड़े. सो हियर यू गो, केपर्स. देयर यू हैव. ठीक है, अब ये देखिए, कैन यू सी. सो दिस इज व्हाट. सो ये हुआ आपका चीज़ कोन्स. और अब शाम के टाइम में जब आप अपना डिनर करते हैं, सो यू कैन हैव अ हॉट बोल ऑफ सूप. मैंने स्पेशली आपको दिखाने के लिए बनाया कि देखिए, दिस इज़ लाइक हाउ विल इट बी. You can just have a bowl of soup. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you so much for being so kind to me. And believe me, healthy eating is so simple. So this is soup and this is your scones. बड़ी आसानी से बन जाता है and आप बहुत enjoy करेंगे. बड़ा आसान है रेसिपी. So do you want that I should break one piece and show you how the center is inside? ये देखिए, मैं आपको ना इनको तोड़ के भी दिखाती हूँ, so that you know how it is. See how it is. It's like a puffy, cheesy, creamy, biscuity, crunchy center. So this was from me to you, and I am happy to, if अब आपके लिए कोई भी questions है on the recipe, you are I'm here for you to answer. एंड बड़ा आसान होता है अगर आप अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करके एक अच्छी सी डिश बनाते हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग इन, एंड थैंक यू अमूल. एंड रेसिपी एंड ऑल माई यूट्यूब चैनल लिंक्स विल बी देयर इन द कमेंट्स. प्लीज़ फाइंड इट. प्लेन स्कोन्स मच अगेंस्ट द कैमरा. आप देख सकते हैं, ये देखिए, बिल्कुल ये देखिए प्लेन स्कोन्स ये रहे. ये देखिए, आर यू सीइंग दिस? यस, बेकिंग टेम्परेचर हम टॉप एंड बॉटम दोनों का करते हैं ऑन. एंड रेसिपी आपको सब चीज़ आपको कमेंट्स में मिल जाएगी. एंड आप दोनों रॉड्स को ऑन करते हैं. ये देखिए, जस्ट सी हाउ दिस इज. आई यू नाउ इज इट? सी, ये देखिए, बिल्कुल देखिए, इट्स लाइक दिस. कितना थिक बिस्किटी क्रस्टी होता है ये बिल्कुल. तो एक पीस आप अगर ले लेते हैं और एक बोल सूप ले लेते हैं, एंड आप कोई बोलेगा नहीं कि ये ओट्स के बने हैं. चीज़ भी है, बटर भी है, इसमें दही भी है, और मिल्क भी है. तो और क्या चाहिए फिर, बस बन गया आपका. सो दिस इज़ देयर. बड़ा आसान होता है. सो थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू एवरीवन. एंड thank you, Amul, for giving me a chance to be a part of this great journey that you are doing. नहीं, आप माइक्रोवेव में नहीं बनाइए, या अवन है. माइक्रोवेव इज़ एक्सट्रीमली आई डू नॉट यूज़ माइक्रोवेव फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ कुकिंग. सो मैं माइक्रोवेव के लिए नहीं मीडियम रैक, यस, मीडियम रैक में आप रखिए. एंड यस, आप मीडियम रैक में रखिए और नीचे में एक पार्चमेंट पेपर लगा दीजिए. सो उससे क्या है कि बिल्कुल जो आप ये गोल्डन कलर देख रहे हैं ना, ये पार्चमेंट जब नीचे लगा होता है तो बड़ा ईजिली ये सारा हीट ट्रांसमिट करता है प्रॉपरली ऑन द स्कोन्स. तो दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच, एंड थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी टाइम टू एक्सप्लेन माई सेल्फ, एंड थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.